Hey guys, I made slime. I made a little bit of fluffy slime. Here, let me show it to you. And it's blue. I put shaving cream, eye contact solution, slime. I made regular slime. This is with blue glitter. I like it. Ready? Oops. Stretch. Ow. And this is regular, fluffy. It smells good.